Okay, first grade, we're going to try this a little bit differently. So the first video, the first day that you guys did for me, I put videos throughout the lesson. Today and tomorrow, the video will just be right at the beginning. So I would like you to tell me, you can tell me in class, or you can have your parents tell me and they can put it on Dojo. Please tell me which one you prefer. If you would like videos throughout the lesson that tell you what you're doing right before you do the activity, or if you just like to watch one video and then do all of your assignments. So you guys tell me what's easiest for you, okay? Our schedule today is you're working on your math slides, and then on iReady Math, you're going to watch the foundations video, then you're going to do your reading slides, 15 minutes on iReady Reading, and then the last thing is you're going to do your science slides. All right, so your math slide is right here. We are working on subtracting from 4, okay? So it says start with the cubes and subtract some cubes. Cross out the cubes and write them different ways to subtract 4, okay? So what you're going to do is you can actually come up here and select a line. You could just do a line like this. And I don't think that's the one I wanted. Maybe it is. There it is. Okay. So when you select a line, your cursor is going to look like this, okay? So I'm going to cross out actually just one of these cubes, okay? When I cross it out, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to write 1, since I subtract 1 cube from there. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to count how many cubes are left. 1, 2, 3, and write 3. So for the next one, you can't cross out 1, but think of what you could cross out this time. And remember, you go up here to where this line is, you click line, just like this, and that's how you cross out, okay? And then you'll write your number of how many you crossed out and how many are left, okay? You'll do that for 1 through 4. You're going to do it the same thing that you did on the first page. You're going to do it on the second page, but you're going to start with 5 cubes this time. So for example, you're going to cross out one of the cubes, and then I'm going to put that I crossed out 1, and I'm going to count how many cubes I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to write a 4 right here, okay? So you're going to cross out, you can cross out 2, you can cross out 3, you can cross out 4, you can cross out all of them, okay? And then write your subtraction number sentence. Remember, all you have to do is click over here, and these text boxes will show up for you to write your number in. And your line, just a reminder, your line, select a line, you just press the line right here, and that'll help you with crossing out your cubes. All right, so 4 take away 1, 5 take away 5, 5 take away 2, 4 take away 2, 5 take away 3, 5 take away 0, and 4 take away 4. All right, last page for your math. Juan draws 4 hippos. He crosses out 2. How many hippos are there now? So we're going to write 4, take away 2, and then write how many would be left. Billy draws 5 lions. So you're going to write number 5. He crosses out 1. You're going to write 1. And 5 take away 1. How many lions would you have left? That is it for your math. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to watch the foundations video, okay? If you have a piece of paper and a pencil handy, that would be great whenever you're watching this foundations video. For reading and grammar, we talked about yesterday, we were working on adding the suffix ing, okay? So if it is a verb at the end, we just put ing at the end. If it has an E, we take the E off and then we add an ing. If it is a vowel followed by a consonant, we will add a second consonant and then put ing. All right, so what you're going to do is you are going to click in here and you're going to type these words. So if you're adding ing, just adding ing, for example, wash, I'm going to type in wash right here to washing, okay? But some of these you need to double the last letter, like wag, you're going to double the last letter and add ing. So you're going to type them all in here, okay? So if you're adding ing, or if you're doubling the last letter and then adding ing. Okay, so you have to type these out. I will leave that one up there so that that gives you an example. Okay, so the next one you would just press enter and you would write the next one. And then over here you would just write yours. The goal is at the end that you use all of these words and sort them out. Another grammar thing that we're working on this week is we're working on the word Ike that ends in I-K-E, or working on a word that ends in I-C-K, excuse me. So like bike, like, pike, all those end in I-K-E, and I-C-K, lick, pick, wick, all of those end in I-C-K. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to read this story to you, and then you are going to write in here any words that you found that end in I-K-E or I-C-K in these boxes, okay? So Mike loved going on bike rides around the town. One day he saw a girl on a hike. She had a long stick and a dog she called Spike. They stopped to talk to each other and figured out that they were just alike. Before long, they found a ball to kick back and forth. What a lovely day for two new friends. So I saw a lot of I-K-E and I-C-K words. So I'm going to type one of them in here for you, and the first one I saw was Mike. Okay, that's all you have to do. So you'd come over here and you would pick another word that you saw that had I-K-E or I-C-K in it. So all of these boxes should be filled up with either I-K-E words or I-C-K words. The last thing you're going to do today is you're going to watch this video about astronauts. And then I have a question for you that says, what would you ask an astronaut? So if you had the opportunity to interview an astronaut, what would you ask them? And you're going to type it in that box. Okay, guys, that is it. And please remember to either tell me at school or have your parents dojo me and let me know if you'd rather have several videos throughout your lesson or if you'd just like to watch one long lesson and then do your work like today. All right, guys, take care.